Hey guys, Justin here coming at you from the Rapid LED tent. Got everything harvested and now it is time to upgrade the set. Rapid LED went ahead and sent me out a exotic board and an Emerson board. It is a kit that you can buy combined on their website. The link is in the description below if you would like to purchase this. What I'm going to do for you here is I'm going to go through and show you what comes with it. Basically, you can check out my unboxing video too, and you can see everything that came with it. This is most of it, short of basically the power supply, which I have hooked up outside the tent. So what the plan is, and you'll also notice I took the carbon filter out of here, and the carbon filter is now outside the tent, and I've got just a ventilation hole right there that just sucks out, and then everything gets filtered outside that. So it's very, very clean inside the tent here. Really, really ready to hook this up. So what you get with the kit is you get the driver. Like I said, the driver's hooked up outside. That is actually plugged into my timer, and then it goes out to the driver, and then it comes down to this cord, which this is the splitter that they give you with the kit. And then that splits out to both the boards. So when I hang those, that'll be over here. So that's what you get there. Then you get two boards. One is the exotic board, one is the Emerson board. And they have the Meanwell drivers, all just super high quality components. And then we've got two equally long heat sinks. And these heat sinks are plenty big for these boards. These boards are only going to pull about 30 watts each, and these heat sinks are definitely some serious overkill. Now with the heat sinks, I do want to mention that does not come with these eye bolts. So this is the proper eye bolt for these heat sinks. It is a 1/4 inch. I went ahead and got the 3 inch. But you could get the 1.5, maybe even the 2 inch really. I just wanted it to be nice and high. Get it high? But yeah, that's the hooks I got from Lowe's. And then I went ahead and purchased some more M3 screws. It does come with 4 M3 screws, but you can see there's a lot more than 4 holes available. So I really want to use that to make sure that the board is held up against the heatsink really well. I am not going to use thermal paste, and that is at the suggestion of Rapid LED. They said that these boards really, you could run it without a heatsink. Really the heatsink is just to provide some rigidity so that you can hang these properly. So really you could run these, if you could figure out how to mount them, just run them by themselves with this. And it would just be this little thin, that's all you would be hanging. But we're gonna go ahead and do it Big Willie style with these heat sinks here. So kick ass. So those were pretty easy to install. Just screwed right in with the eye bolts. Went ahead and screwed it in until it was about flush. You don't want to go too far because you got to put the boards on here. So that's pretty much ready to go. I will go ahead and start putting these on here, and we'll take it from there. We'll start mounting everything and get going. So yeah, I cannot wait to get these hooked up. Thank you to Rapid LED for sending this stuff out to me. I've been eyeing these boards for a while. You guys saw I added the little these things here, these shitty little China lights, trying to get some extra spectrum in there, and I mean it worked, but this is going to be a way better solution. Way better solution. The Emerson board is going to be the deep red, and then the exotic board has UVA and IR. So gonna have the full setup. And then I've got 3500 and 3000K split between these 5 cobs up here with my regular Rapid LED kit with the Meanwell driver. Yeah, let's get these boards onto the heat sinks and get it rolling. All right, you guys, we got it hooked up. Got the board screwed down. Everything's looking good. That is excellent. Got a couple more screw holes. Don't really need to add any more screws. This is going to be plenty to put it in. But if you want, you can get another, what, like 6 more screws? It's a lot of screws, man. This is going to be plenty. I got 1 on the end, and then 2 here, 2 in the middle, 2 on this end, and then 1 on the end. So that's going to be plenty to hold it on there. Really nice. That looks really slick too, man. The whiteboard against the black heatsink. That looks fucking sick. I dig it. I dig it. That is awesome. So let's get them hung and hooked up and fired up, and yeah, let's see what they do. It's gonna be awesome. Cannot wait. And there we go. Look at that. Damn, that looks fucking hot. Those boards look killer. So I got them hung just below where the main light is. And man, that works out perfect, man. That is absolutely excellent. I'm gonna get these things plugged in here. I went ahead and ran the power over here. Man, that is just so cool. That is a killer setup right there. I'm gonna be staring at this for a long time. But I got this ran here, and it's already plugged in. So should be all I have to do is plug it in here, and I think we'll probably be live, maybe. Hey, look at that. We're live. There's one board. Let's get the other board. That one over there. Plug it in. Bam. We're live. Got the UV and the infrared, killing it. And then we got the dual reds over here, killing it. Damn, man. That is a killer setup right there. Absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see what this is gonna do, man. With the extra spectrum running all the way down the tent, like for real. Killing it all day. So yeah, if you guys want to get some extra color in your tent, man, this is an excellent way to do it. I'm stoked. I'm super impressed. It looks so clean and so incredible. Once again, you can buy this kit in the link below. I'll put the link for the 4x2 kit that I'm using as well in the link below. So you can buy all this in the description below. Man, this is awesome. Definitely thank you, RapidLED, for hooking a brother up with this. Damn. That is just so sick. I can't stop looking at it. Like, holy crap. Now I gotta get some plants in here. Right, Nomi? Gotta get some plants, bro. We're gonna be putting the Dark Dreams in here next. Gonna be awesome. Dark Dreams and probably the Fader Actual. That's pretty much it for this update, guys. I'm gonna be just staring at this for the next who knows how long. This is incredible. I'll get some par readings and stuff when I get some plants in here and get the canopy dialed in. I'll get some additional par readings. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this update, guys. Really super simple installation. You want to buy maybe some screws, definitely some eye bolts. You have to have some rope ratchets, of course. But yeah, everything else is pretty much included. It's super easy to use, super plug and play, and yeah, it looks sick. So not much else to say. I'm super stoked, super happy, and till next time, guys, happy growing.